This is the story of the most biodiverse place on our planet. Hidden away at Wakehurst, Kew's Wild Botanic Garden in Sussex, lies a remarkable treasure, the Millennium Seed Bank, the largest wild seed bank in the world. I'm Cate Blanchett, Kew's ambassador for Wakehurst, and in this new podcast series, I'll be unearthing the ideas, the breakthroughs, and the people preserving the future of life on Earth. Because the seed bank is more than a vault. It's a laboratory where groundbreaking research is helping protect biodiversity, restore habitats, and even bring species back from the brink. And this year marks its 25th anniversary. Together, we'll trace the origins of this extraordinary project.
It was a little bit of a Boy Scouts adventure, I suppose. It was a case of, this is what we want to do, how do you think we do it?
Discover how it's already helping to restore habitats here in the UK and across the world.
Hundreds of plants have been introduced working with the community, but this never would have happened if we didn't bank this in 2006 with MSB.
And I'll even get my hands dirty, joining the team as they collect seeds destined for safekeeping in the vaults of the MSB.
You've actually done it. How many have you got?
I think I've got about 25.
Okay, all right.
I think I've got about 13.
Okay.
Do I get the job?
Yeah.
We'll also look ahead, sending seeds into space, testing their limits to discover what they can teach us about their future on our own planet.
The conditions that our seeds will be exposed to on the outside of the International Space Station will be vacuum and radiation.
Along the way, you'll hear from a host of extraordinary voices.
We need to save these seeds, we need to keep them safe, we need to keep them alive.
The MSB is the only global programme of its type.
And in our very first episode, a truly special guest.
I know how absolutely critical it all is. I think it's wonderful what the seed bank is doing.
Follow Unearthed, the need for seeds, from the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew now, so you don't miss a moment.